If you want to take a screenshot but you don't want to use buttons on Redmi A7 Pro, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use 3 fingers and you can swipe from top to the bottom just like that. Of course, this option might not work for you because a certain setting has to be enabled. So if you go to settings, you can open additional settings, and then we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts, and then here you can find take a screenshot. We need to make sure that slide 3 fingers down is enabled in here. Besides that, there is another gesture that you can set up here in gesture shortcuts, and that is the double tap fingerprint sensor. Here we can set take a screenshot, and then if you double tap the power button, you don't have to press it, you just have to touch it, then you should be able to take a screenshot. So there we go. This is how it looks like. Besides that, another way to take a screenshot is by using the control center or quick settings. You just have to use the screenshot button, which in my case it is the scissors button. There we go. And last but not least, you can also use accessibility menu. So in additional settings, if you open accessibility, here we have accessibility menu. You can enable the shortcut and tap on allow, and then got it. There we go. We're gonna tap on this person icon, and then here we have the screenshot button as well. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.